Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add clickable links to Canva. First, you have to go to canva.com or you can just download the app on your Android or iOS device or your PC. Then, we just need to choose a canvas for our editing. You can choose docs, also you can create a custom size here. You can set it in pixel, in inches, whatever you want. Also you can upload your photo or whatever you want. For now I'm going to choose this docs option. Now from here I'm going to add a picture for example. Then I have to write something here. In this heading section I'm going to write this click here. Now we can customize this text. We just need to select all of this text from here. Now click on this section and you can set it as a subheading or body text or heading text. Also you can set font from here. There are many fonts available. Choose one of these that you like. This font is matching with the image font, so I'm going to choose this. And you also can select the color of the font. Just for example I'm going to select with this feature. I'm going to select this color. Then we just need to select all the text here, and here you can find a chain icon that is for link. Just click on it and you have to enter a link here. Just for example I'm going to creating a link of this Google Docs, and I'm going to paste it here in this section, and you can click on done. From here you can select the text or you can edit the text again. Also you can select the display mode. For now it is just available as link. Now click on done and here you can see the text color has changed and there is underline at the text. That means the text is now turned into a clickable link. I'm going to customize this, and from here when someone click on this they will find the link and click on this. Then you can see this link redirected to my Google Docs that I have added in this text. I have embedded with this text by the Google Docs link. That's how you can add a clickable link to your Canva design. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.